In this video I am going to show you how to change your Facebook profile picture without making a post to your Facebook feed and without notifying any of your friends. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Facebook application and there hit at your profile picture. To open up your profile, and now hit at your profile picture again and there hit at select profile picture. There you can select any photos from here. To open up some from camera roll, you can hit there, and also you can select some photos from suggested. I'll select that one because I like it. And now all you have to do in order to change your profile picture without sharing to your friends is just uncheck mark that option, share your update to news feed. Uncheck mark it and hit on save. And basically that's it. Now your profile picture was changed and as you see there is no post about it. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.